How to set shortcut for copy file path in Sublime Text 3. How to set shortcut for copy file path in Sublime Text 3. I tried, but seemingly command copy _file _path not valid.
All you need to do is change copy _file _path to copy _path. To discover this, I hit Ctrl to open the console, then ran. To have all actions logged to the console, I then right-clicked and selected Copy File Path, and showed up. I assigned the key combination, ran it, and it worked. To finish up, I run. So the console doesn't get clogged with unnecessary info, then hit Ctrl again to close the console.
For those like me that need a shortcut to copy the relative path, I installed the Copy Relative Path package and added this key binding. Keys column, Alt+P, command column copy _relative _path.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.